Okay guys, we're gonna look on these machines again. So first we have AEG. I have 61144 This medium. This program. They sold 61 minutes. Eco, Cottons, Cephatics, Duckets, War, 20 minutes for a kilo. The minute outdoor, hygiene. Temperature, speed, stands pre-wash, actually time, on off, start pause, there you go, download it. It's a spin rinse. It's also dry. It's a spin dry, not just spin. 20 minutes. One is drawing. Is it drawing not? Yeah, not the AEG, same machine, but this is different this time. L6LG4S. Let me show you what you can. This one's pushing a 10 kilo. This one's a 10 kilo as well. It's a program that's different this time. Eco Cotton Cephatics Delegate War Silk. Outdoor 20 minutes. Different Easy Iron. Spin drain. Off. Temperature spin. Soft plus. Anti energy. Strength pre-wash. Extra. And all new runs. Dry on total. Just don't let. Oh yeah. Look at this drum. This is smell. Motor. What is motor? I'm doing the sound for filming. Here, model. I'm doing the sound with this one. So, HW 100 B14959 U1. The 20 Eco 4060 drawing. 15 minutes before the answer here. So this is the direction. This is 421 drum. Refresh. Dry. Steam. Temperature. Speed. Actions. On time. Start. Pause. That's all. The two machines. Bye.